Welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In this video, I will guide you to make a high priority of an application in Windows. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so let's dive right in. In Windows, you can adjust the priority of an application using the Task Manager. Here's how you can do it. Open your Windows menu and search for Task Manager. Or you can open it simply by right-clicking on the taskbar and click Task Manager. In Task Manager, go to the Details tab. This will display a list of running processes on your system. Find the application that you want to set as a high priority. For example, this Premiere application. Right-click on the name of the application, then go to Set Priority. You will see a list of priority levels. And lastly, select the priority to high and confirm the change. If you find this tutorial helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.